Yeah, boy, that felt good. Hemorrhoids. What you doing here, bro? I was just gonna like walk my dog. Not today. I'm finna like walk my dog today. Right now. That doesn't seem. Can we do this later? Ooh. Oh my god. What I'm finna eat today, boy. This don't look good. Man, probably give me some of this right here. Yeah, man. Gonna give me some hemorrhoids. Bro, I was finna make some like, tacos, bro. You want some? Not today. But it's gotta be cooked today, bro. Like, the meat's going bad. Not today. Hemorrhoids. I knew you'd be here eventually. As you can see, I'm in the middle of something very... Not today! Not today, partner. Oh, it's today. It's gonna be today. We're gonna be here tomorrow. And even the day after. 'Cause see, I know your weakness, hemorrhoids. That's right. I took me some Aleve for the inflammation. I took the best hydrocortisone medical insurance can buy. I smoked a shit ton of weed today. Let's do this. Alright. Don't trip, cuz. I got you. Got you. Cause you gonna run out of Aleve. Gonna run out of hydrocortisone too, nigga. Now I'll be back.